children. How are you all? Hope all are fine. Yes, today is Wednesday, the 10th day of the March. We are moving the third month of the 2021 year. As I told you, the 10 will be the date, the third in the sense the 3 will be the month of that particular year. The last 2021 is a year. Okay, like this you have to read the date. Sometimes it will change the pattern like 5th March or 10th March, like that they will write. Okay, that is also a common thing how you will write it on the board or in your papers like that. Okay, today is Wednesday. Okay children, shall we start our class with some basic things. The first thing we will think or we will talk about some safety things, like before using our equipments, sharp equipments like blades, knife, scissors, screwdrivers, cutting pliers, gas lighters, how you should be careful. Okay, before using that you should be double careful children, because it may hurt you. For example, lighter, you can see some small spark will come from the lighter. When you do like this tap sound you will get, no, that small spark will come. If you do the same thing near your eyes, it may damage your wall. If you do like this, it may damage your skin here. If you take like this and do here, it may get like a current shock. So please be careful. Don't use the lighter for a playing things. You will do like this, no, gun, you will use like the gun. ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರ ಲೈಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಗನ್ ಥರ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಅದು ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೆಡ್ಶೀಟಲ್ಲೋ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕೆಟಲ್ಲೋ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಉಲ್ಲನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಿಡಿ ಬಿದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಫೈರ್ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ be careful while using a lighter. Scissors, you all know it's a very good instrument to make your papers colorful. Yes, no, whatever craft work if you want to do, you have to use the scissors. Scissors is also a very dangerous thing. While cutting the papers, it may cut your finger tips also, like that the skins also, or it may cut the below what you have kept, like on other sheets or other blankets, anything. If you try to cut on a bed and all, it may cut the bed also. So be careful while using your scissors. Then knife is also an instrument which we use to cut the fruits and vegetables. Most probably the children will use the knife to cut their fruits. Okay, if mama gave an apple of a big pieces, you will try to cut it into a small pieces. This is the common thing what you will do with a knife and all. I know that you will not cut a vegetable, but you will try to cut the fruits what the mama has given to eat you. Please be careful, because knife is a very sharp thing which may cut your nerves. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಈ ಥರ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಕ್ತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ while using your knife, and also the same cut the blade also. Have you seen the blade? Nowadays it is very less, because your papa will use either a electric trimmer or any other things for shape his breed. But in the olden days they were using a blade. Nowadays we will use blades only for a few things. To do any beauticians like that, they will use a blade. Okay, nowadays the blade is very less. So be careful, it may go into your tongue also with the food and all, or you may, while picking the blade only, it may cut your fingers and all. So be careful with that. So what I am telling you, conclusion is that be careful with all the sharpened gadgets. What are those? Like blades, scissors, lighter and the knife. Okay children, I hope you understood. Yes, now we will move to our regular class. The first one is your English. In that teach you the cursive letter of 3-letter words. Open your page number 51. What they are given there? They are given some words like bat, cat. I will write my own thing because by seeing we can't write. So I will write my own thing. Bat, cat, fat, mat. Then what else? Hat. With 80 family. Here everything it is in 80 family. Bat, cat, fat, mat and hat. This everything I have written in a cursive writing. Next et, jet, net, set, pet, net. These all are ET family. Okay, jet, met, set, pet and net. The same all the words you know it is all a CVC word. Already you learnt in your phonic activity the CVC words like a family of AT family, ET family. Now we are moving to IT. It is a sit, pit, fit, pit, it. Okay, I am writing the same words how you are writing in your phonic activity. You are writing like a small letter. Now I am writing the same thing in your cursive writing. Okay, sit, pit, fit, bit and it. Next is OT family. Pot, lot, tot, hot, not. Okay, these all are some words of OT form, OT family, AT family, ET family, IT family and OT family. These all are some words what we have written on using our cursive writing children. Okay, this is in your page number 51 and 52. Okay, till here you have to complete all the pages in your cursive writing book. Okay, that is all the 2-letter words. What are those? U, G, U, H, V, E, T, O, like that. You have to complete all those things using your good handwriting. Okay, you have to complete till the 51 and 52 page number in your cursive writing book. Understood? Yes. Now we will move to our next part of the English, that is what we were learning children? We were learning some blends, diagonal. Okay. With that, your phonic page number 60. What the given? Phonic activity book, page number 363. That is, I can write and read. Okay, this you have to write and read. Okay, then what is that? Choose the first. Open your phonic activity book. Children, it's a good news because this is your last page. ಇದು ನೀವು ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫೋನಿಕ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಬುಕ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮುಗ್ದೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ನೋ henceforth there is no homework in your phonic activity book. Choose the correct words to complete the sentences. First, you have to write your name, put the date. What they given? Snake, play, spoon, tree, frog. Snake, play, spoon, tree, frog. Yesterday we learned the same story in our Discover Phonic book, right? The same thing they are given here. You have to fill in the blank. Kim dash with the doll. Kim plays with the doll. Tim spotted dash on the dash. Tim spots a snake on the trees. The maid cleaned the dash in the stream. They given the picture also, you can check it out. The maid cleaned the spoon in the stream. The dog chases the frog. The dog chases the frog. They are given pictures as a hint. You can write using that hint also, children. Okay, this is your homework in your phonic activity book. The homework belongs to a diagram of CH, SH, TH and WH. Okay, this is your English homework. The page number 63 you have to complete in your phonic activity book. If you don't know what you have to write, you refer the Discover Phonic book, the page number. How much? Discover Phonic book, page number 24. Okay, this is your last page. You have to complete it with your good handwriting. Yes, we will move to next one, that is your mathematics. Till now what and all we learned? We learned the numbers from 1 to 100 and also the number names from 1 to 100. Okay. In the maths, please open your, we will learn some before, after and between number. Okay. Today we are going to learn only two, after and before to the given number. What are those? Okay, I'll take only the two rows as an example, like 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Okay, this is the three rows I have taken. With this, using this, we can find out before and after number. What is the before number? I will take the example of 74. What is the before number for the 74? Can you identify the 74 here? Yes, circle it. Before 74, which number is that? Yes, that is the 73. It's a number 73. This is a before number. Okay, I'll take another one example. I'll take 97. Okay, which number is before the 97? It's a 96. Very good. This is before to 97. Next one, C. I will take 82 as a number. What is the before number for 82? Yes, it's a 81. Okay, these are not some example of a before number. Like that, we will do a after number. Okay, I'll take 87 86 as an example for a after number. 86. After 86, which number will come? Yes, it's a 87. Okay, that's a 87. It's a number for 87. Next is B. What is the number after 99? After 99 number will come. This is after number. Which number will come after 99? It's a 100. Very good. Next, another one example I'll take as a 78. After 78, what will come, children? It's a 79. Correct? You understood now what is the before number and after number? Before number is a number which comes before the given number. ನಾವು ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂತೀವೋ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಬಿಫೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ನಂಬರ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ given example of the number. Okay, if you keep any example as a one number, the after number becomes the next number. ಹಾಗೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುವಂತ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ I explained times with using so many kinds of the examples. Today also I am going to explain you using one scale, okay, one pencil and also the pen. Can you see the three items here? Yes, the pencil is before the scale. Avudalva, scale ginta munche enide nimge pencil ide makla. So the pencil is before the scale. The pen is after the scale. The pen is after the scale. The scale is in between the pencil and the pen. Like this, you can use here some things what is there in your home as an examples, and you can learn more you by the before and the after number. Okay, the homework is as usual, open your mathematics readiness book. Okay, please open your homework in mathematics readiness book. Page number 57. What they are given? Find the missing numbers. Write the first you have to write the find the missing number. They are given 51 dash dash 54 dash dash 57 58 then one other one dash like that they are given the empty boxes. You have to complete the in that. Next activity is write the number that comes after or before the given number. What you have to do? You have to see that what comes before 93 and what will comes after 85. Like that you have to find it out and complete that boxes. Next, write the number that comes in between the two numbers. This is very easy for you because between number is very easy to identify. Please complete the page number 57. Put the date and write your name also. Understood? Yes. Now the second homework is write number names 21 to 40. Okay, you have to write the number name from 21 to 40. First you have to write the numbers from 21 to 30. Write the number names, turn the page. Then 31 to 40 you have to write the number and also the number names for the same thing. Okay, this is very helpful for you to learn the number names thoroughly. Understood, children? Yes. Now we will move to our next class, that is our EVS. In the EVS we were learning about the transport. What are the means of transport? Okay, there are three means of transport. One is land transport, another one is water transport, okay, land transport, water transport, and also the air transport. The three transport we will use for our transportation. Okay, what are the vehicles we will use to transport on the land? Car, bus, train. Okay, in the water transport, what are the we use boat, submarine, ship. Air transport we will use airplane, hot air balloon, like that. So many things we will use for a air transport. Okay, when we go from one place to another place, we either walk or go with by car, bus, taxi, ship, or a aeroplane. A aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. Correct? No, yesterday I told you the fastest means of transport. Okay, like that. You please open your tell me notebook. Okay. 20 and 21. Okay, tell me more about 20 and 21. Given some transport names like auto, aeroplane, jeep, bus, truck, ambulance, bicycle, tricycle, scooter, and also motorcycle. Car, helicopter, van, dumper, passenger train, bullock cart, horse cart, yacht, and the ship. These all are some vehicles what we will use in transportation. Okay? Yes. We will concentrate little on the questions for conversation. Which is the fastest means of transport? Can anyone tell to me which is the fastest means of transport? Yes, the aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. Next one is, what is the use of an ambulance? Ambulance carries the sick people. An ambulance carries the sick people. Have you traveled in an aeroplane? Yes or no? You have to answer. Which are the three-wheeler vehicles? That are auto rickshaws, tricycles are the three-wheeler vehicles. Which vehicles runs on tracks? Train runs on. Which vehicles move on waterways? Boats and ships moves on waterways. How do you go to school? I go to school. How you come to school? Either by the auto or by the school bus or by your two-wheelers that you have to ride. Which means of transport you like and why? ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ. The homework is write 4 questions answer in your interleave book and page 11 pictures. Okay, what you have to do, you have to write first four questions and answer they have given now. Which is the fastest means of transport? What is the Ambulance. Have you traveled in an aeroplane? Which are the three-wheeler vehicles? Questions. You can take help of your mama. She will write the question. You have to write the answer with biatic. Okay. Then you have to paste the pictures which is relevant to that. Like that aeroplane you can stick the picture. Ambulance you can stick the picture. Tricycles and auto rickshaw you can stick the pictures in your internal book. This is your homework for EVS. Okay children. I hope you understood today's class. Take care. Bye.